Nag-goosebump ako. Number 1. So we have negative 5. Tapos negative 6. And 4, 2. So remember guys, the midpoint formula is just like this. So let's say M. So we have x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. Then y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So you just need to divide the x sub 1 plus x sub 2 by 2 as well as your y's. Anyway, so let's proceed. So we have x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Then plug it here. Then that's it. So let's try to graph it first. So this is in the quadrant 3 while this one is the quadrant 4. So let's graph it. So we have negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the first point, which is negative 5 and negative 6. While this is 4, 2, so this will be in quadrant 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 units upward. So this will become your second point. So if you connect these 2 points, the middle part is the midpoint. Siyempre, middle talaga yun. Midpoint nga eh. So you'll be having the formula as x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. Then y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So mentally you can solve it because this will become just like integers. So negative 5 plus 4 over 2. Then negative 6 plus 2 over 2. So negative 5 plus 4, that is negative 1 over 2. While the other is negative 6 plus 2, that is negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So basically, the midpoint is something like here. So negative 1, dito pala. So remember, this is negative 1. So, and we need to negative 1 half. So this is negative 1 half guys. Then we have 2 units. So something like here. This is the midpoint of these 2 points. So remember, what is negative 1 half? That is 0.5. So if it is negative 1, therefore the middle from 0 to negative 1 is negative 0.5 or negative 1 half. Then we need to move 2 units downward because it is negative 2. So that's the distance or the midpoint. Gets yon. Next.